Hi, this is Rock. We're going to look at two functions, sort and sort by. I've got here a list of breeds of dogs. If these breeds are in alphabetical order, what is that order? That's this number, alpha. And then the breed number is a random number I invented to have a unique identifier. All right, let's use the sort function. If I take this breed number and I sort it, I can use the sort and grab the array of the breed number, and then I'll hit enter. And this is the breed number sorted. Now, I haven't sorted anything over here relative to that breed number, but this gives me the breed number in the order of column I, essentially. All right, so that's how the sort function works. You can take any individual column and sort it there. Let's try a different approach using sort by, where if I want to sort this whole array by that breed number, let's do that. I'll copy this over here, and now I'm going to say equals sort by, and it's going to be this whole array. Let me freeze the panes here. There we go. Okay, if I put the sort by in here, and then I select this array. Now that's the first argument, the array itself. Now we're going to sort by another array. And what the array is that I want to sort by is this breed number. So I'm going to select this as the second argument for this sort by. So now when I hit enter, everything is sorted by this breed number as you see here, but now it also has the alpha number and the breed name here. That is sort and sort by and how those work. Next, we'll talk about lambda. See you then.